Improve your Japanese by talking to yourself. Do you ever talk to yourself in Japanese? In today's video, I'll show you some of the useful sentences you can start using today.
さあやるぞ。
眠い。I'm so sleepy. In Japanese, 眠い and 疲れてる are different. 眠い means sleepy. You feel like sleeping but you're not necessarily tired. 疲れている means tired. Your body or mind is worn out. You can be sleepy and not tired, or tired but not sleepy.
やば。
やば Oh no. やば、やばい is a very flexible Japanese slang. It means terrible or oh no. But if you change your tone or your face expression and say やば, it can also mean awesome or amazing in a positive way.
あれどこ置いたっけ？
どこ置いたっけ? Where did I put it?
あった。
あった Oh, it was here.
今日も天気いいな。
今日も天気いいな. It's so nice out today. Na is a sentence ending particle expressing strong emotion.
さあやるぞ。
さ、やるぞ.
最悪。ミスった。
I messed up. ミスった is the past tense of ミスる. It comes from the English word mistake plus Japanese verb する. Mistake plus する. ミスる.
まあいいか。
まあいっか. Oh well.
大丈夫。
大丈夫. I got this.
意外と簡単かも。
意外と簡単かも. This is easier than that I thought.
めっちゃ疲れた。
めっちゃ疲れた. I'm so tired.
でも楽しかったな。
でも楽しかったな. But it was really fun.
今日も頑張った。
今日も頑張った. I did my best today as well. So if you haven't tried this method yet, you should definitely give it a try. The more you speak, the faster your brain gets at forming sentences. Today's lesson is over. I'll see you next time. またね